Don't eat me. This is Legs. He likes to eat things. I'm going to run, kind of. That is Legs. He's an ex-racehorse for retraining. Hunter jumper. He is beautiful. He came from the same place as Buddy. He's from Louisiana and stuff. And he likes to follow people, apparently.
Stop, Legs.
He's very friendly. He's kind of for sale. Hi. Hello. This is his turnout. Don't eat me! Ah! Hide behind the tree. Hide behind the tree.
He likes playing hide and seek.
We're playing hide and go seek with the pony around the tree. He's coming! Ah! 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 Oh my gosh! Ah! He's like, what are y'all doing? Hide. Come here! Come here! Legs! Legs! I forgot she was there.